In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver a Wix website to your client. Let's move through this process together, ensuring that you not only master the steps, but also understand the nuances, so that you're confident each time you carry out a transfer. First, head over to your Wix dashboard and locate the specific website that you want to deliver to your client. This is where you manage all your sites and projects, so it's important that you select the right one to avoid confusion later on. Once you've identified the correct site, click to enter its management area. You'll find yourself on the Home tab, which is essentially the command center for that particular website. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. There you'll see a 3 dots icon, a common symbol for additional options or settings. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu with various actions you can take on the site. From this drop-down, select the option labeled Transfer Site. Clicking this option initiates the process of transferring the site's ownership to your client, allowing them to take over its management. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of your client. This step is crucial as it determines who will receive the site. Double-check to ensure that you've typed in the correct email, as any typo here could result in the wrong person gaining access to the site. Once you've confirmed the email address, you'll see some additional options. First, you can choose whether or not to keep your role as a co-owner of the site. This is particularly useful if you'll continue to play a role in maintaining or developing the site further alongside your client. Another option allows you to create a copy of the site to keep within your own account. This is something you might want to consider if you'd like to retain a version of the site for your portfolio, or as a backup, just in case it's needed in the future. Having a copy can serve as a safety net for both you and your client. After making these selections, you'll be presented with one final confirmation prompt. This serves as your last opportunity to ensure all details are correct before completing the transfer. Take a moment here to review everything one last time. And that's all it takes to transfer a Wix website to a client. By following these steps, you can hand off the project smoothly, knowing that it's in the right hands. With each transfer, your proficiency will grow, enhancing your professional relationships and project handovers. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your site transfers.